Hello, everyone. I wanted to put together a little quick video about the impact of technology and what it has had on the field of sales. Technology has had a big impact on how business is conducted nowadays. In the field of sales, today's sellers conduct business very different than how they did just a few years ago because of all the new tools, techniques, and abilities of technology. From prospecting to closing a deal, today's sellers use technologies like the cloud, they use social media and other different technologies like smartphones to find, reach, and interact with customers regardless of where that customer may be in the world. Phones, for example, have changed how conducting business is done, especially in sales. So in the past, sellers could meet a potential customer at something like a conference. They would exchange each other's contact information, possibly using a business card, and then they would wait to get back to their office and then mail a brochure or a catalog back to the potential customer. Today's sales reps, though, by using phones to connect to their customers, they can get in touch with their customers a lot quicker and a broad range of customers by using things like social media, which that helps build that rapport with the customer. Sites like LinkedIn, which is normally used for networking for professionals. You got Facebook Marketplace. A lot of people use that to sell goods that they want to get rid of. TikTok is also used to sell products and advertise products, and then you got Twitter or what is called X nowadays to also advertise your products and show customers the benefits of your products. Phones also help accomplish a lot of different selling tasks. Again, you have different apps that you can use like eBay, Amazon. A lot of people use Etsy. You can also use email, which was used in place of snail mail or the US mail from a long time ago. And then you have things like video conferencing where you can set up video conferences or Zoom meetings or Teams meetings or Google Meets meetings just to talk to potential customers or to talk to existing customers. The internet has made researching buyers and sellers and products a lot less time consuming. Before the internet was around, buyers and sellers usually interacted face to face. Again, now it can be done without stepping foot into a business, something like car buying itself, where you would usually have to go to a car lot, spend a couple of hours of test driving. If you didn't have the full payment, you sit in a finance and insurance office to go over the financing plans that are available, and then you got to leave, and it usually took 2 to 3 hours. Well, now by using apps and different technologies, you can purchase a car. If it's brand new, you can customize that car how you want it, the colors, the features, all the functions that are in that car. You can do that in your home and then go to the business and pick up the car. Today, going out to the internet can get you can get info because there's a lot of different information on the internet. Sellers can't automatically expect to close a sale by stating all the facts or products using the internet, but they have to make sure that if a customer has a question about a product or a service, that they're answering that question and they know what the customers want and try to tailor, if there's a presentation involved, to try to tailor that presentation to whatever that customer wants. Another technology that's changing sales and business in general is cloud-based customer management. What cloud-based customer management does is it brings selling to a whole new level because sales reps, again, don't have to be on site to conduct a business with a potential customer. They can be anywhere in the world and provide all the sales support and conduct sales business from wherever they are. cloud-based customer management systems can provide overall view of that customer relationship because it allows the seller to manage leads, to automate certain sales, and to provide ongoing support to a customer. It also gives a business access to customer information from anywhere in the world. Again, if one sales rep is not able to meet with a customer somewhere, well, you can use this technology to have another sales rep meet and interact with that customer just to get that business going, just to get that potential sale in the bag. And then there are a lot of advantages to cloud-based technology because you can get up-to-date data. That's one big advantage to using cloud-based customer management technology. Data is gold in the business of sales and a lot of other businesses. The more data you have, the more ability you might have to customize different products and services to what a customer needs. Businesses can use that data to see what customers are buying, how often they're buying the product or service, and what they like about the product or service. Again, these cloud-based tools allow businesses the ability to focus on what customers want and then find out the best way to provide what that customer wants.